Greetings everyone, this is Domingo with you today. Hope you're doing fantastic, and today we're going to be looking at Canva, the mobile app. So this tutorial is just going to show you how to use the app and what to create on here. So when you look at the screen, for starters, it shows the For You page, the whiteboard, social media, presentations, videos, prints, websites, and more. So it'll give you the option to create more here, and it shows you different templates like infographics, photo collages, desktop wallpapers, graphs, book covers, mind maps, magazine covers, Zoom virtual backgrounds, websites, calendars, posters, worksheets, reports, planners, comic strips, proposals, class schedules, concept maps, CD covers, graphic organizers, and much more. But if you are a social media influencer, then you will look at these templates here. So you'll look at the popular ones where it shows Instagram posts, Facebook posts, Instagram stories, WhatsApp statuses, Facebook covers, Instagram reels, TikTok videos, YouTube thumbnails and intros, animated social media, and various others. Twitter posts, anything that you like here. And what we're going to do is we're just going to pick one of these. For example, let's just pick a Twitter post. So we're just going to pick this Twitter post here, and we're going to just use the template. So we're just going to start by going into picking this text, and then we're going to go and select edit. So let's just say happy Monday. Not Monday, happy Monday. So then you can stretch the text out, position it however you like. So we're just going to position that a little bit here, and then it has these little parameters, and then we're just going to delete that, and then we're just going to edit this, and then we're just going to enter my address here, youtube.com/@therealdomingo. And then there is my Twitter post here. So I'm just going to stretch this out and make it look real nice here. And then we're just going to get rid of... Actually, we can just put that in there. Actually, let's just move this a bit, and then we're going to make the square a little bit bigger. Let's just make the square a little bit bigger, and then it fits in there. There we go. Let's just do that. So then we just go and select our text and then move it. And then we delete this one because that's a copy. And then you have a post there. So this will be like my Twitter post. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to just press this down arrow to save it. And it will save it as an image. And then it's going to do a preparation of the design. And then the magic will happen. And then you just go and send it to your Twitter. So we're just going to tweet it out. And then it's saved to my gallery. And then it gives you rewards or awards each time you use it. So you can just view and edit your awards. And then let's just say that I used more than one design. So I'm just going to add my name there. Let's just do that. And then the real Domingo. And then it gives me a little award. And then I just go from there. It makes a little video about it. And there we go. So the Canva team just thanked me for that, because I've made a few designs in here already, so that's why. So we're just going to go home with that, and then we're just going to go from there. So that is how you create a post, and it also saves your recent designs on here, so that if you ever want to go back to something or make something like that, you can go back to it. So you're a social media influencer, you want to make a post for any social media site, that is what you do. And it also gives you might want to try these. It gives you suggestions on what you want to create. So if you are into that area where you want to be like, oh, I want to make a book cover, or I want to make a phone wallpaper or photo collage, you can do that. You can use any of your own designs, their own stock footage, whatever you want to do. So let's say you want to post on Instagram. So you go to a square, and then you can pick a template or make one from scratch. And then you can use the stock photos, or you can also just use your own, which makes it really cool. So let's say, for example, you have a restaurant and you want to edit your restaurant's social media. So you just replace the image with whatever you have in here, and then you can go from there. So let's just say your restaurant's out in the forest. So then you can replace that picture with this one, and basically we are like the Forest Cafe or something, and then you can just reserve now. So it blends into the design with what you want, and you can make whatever design you want. So you can move the picture around, and it just blends with it. So you can position it like this, and you got a really great design there. So like I said, you can choose a template, or you can just make one completely out of scratch, whatever you want to do. And then it saves it automatically if you go press the home button again, and then you can just go from there. So it really makes a difference on what you want to create. So it's the same for videos, it's the same for the presentations. So you can do like a 16:9 presentation or a different kind. So you just go in here and just pick the one that you want, and then the mobile app gets a template ready, and you can make whatever. So it has the slides here. So it has slides down here, and you can edit these slides however you like, and you can save whatever you want to do. I mean, it's really cool. So you got talking presentations, mobile first presentations, brainstorms, and game presentations. So it gives you like little videos, and then how to play a game, and then like children's activities. You can do whatever you want with it, and you can make whatever you want with it. So it's a really nice little design, a nice little interface, and it just does the job. It definitely does the job, especially if you want to make your own designs. So you can also make websites with this. You can put this on your website. You can make prints. You can make your like invitations, cards, paper bags, postcards, flyers, circle stickers, coasters. So if you want to go and see what kind of coaster you can do, you can select through the free or the paid template. So as you can see, if it says paid here, if it says paid there, that means you have to pay for it. But if it says nothing there, then it's a free template. So we'll pick a free one there, and then, like I said, you don't necessarily have to use the designs. You can do any design that you want. So let's say you don't want to do this, you can change the font to this. And then you can change this font to this. Or you can change it to this. Or you can change it to this. So it will ask you to try Canva Pro. Canva Pro is like their premium service, so it's up to you if you want to try it. It gives you a 2-week free trial, and it gives you more fonts. But if you want to use it for free, then you can use it for free too. So if you see the fonts with the crowns beside them, those are the Canva Pro fonts. So that way, it tells you right away. So we can change it to this, and then we just changed our fonts totally. Let's just go change all. So there we go. So it changed the font that we just did recently, and then you can add like different designs, you can do like different effects, you can replace it with stuff or duplicate it just to make it stand out a bit more. And there you go. So we don't have to save that, but you get the general idea of what this does. So we're just going to go back home, and then we can just do another project if we want. So it's definitely a very intuitive software. And I'm also going to do a desktop tutorial of this, so that way I'm not going to leave my desktop users out of the dust. So that is pretty much what Canva is. So setting up your own projects, making your own projects using templates, and just editing whatever designs are available there, you can do that here. So thank you so much for watching this video. I know this video is a little bit shorter, but I feel that it's pretty self-explanatory how to use this software. And if you have any questions, just leave me a comment below, because a lot of you will probably say that I missed something, and I did. So I just want to let you know that if I did miss something, you can just tell me, and I will get back to you on that, and I might make a follow-up video about that, or I can make a YouTube short about it. So that way, if I do miss something, and if you want a personalized request, if you want a request saying, hey, I want to know how to do this, I'll make it in the form of a YouTube short. So that way, it's short and sweet, and it's exactly what you want. So thank you very much for watching. Have a great day, and we'll see you next time for another video. Peace out.